Hello mathematicians! Today we are going to be discussing combining like terms. Now first we need to discuss what like terms are. Like terms are any terms that have the same variables. So they are pieces that match. For instance, 2y and 5y are like terms because they both have a y. Y squared, however, does not match. Alright, y and y squared are very different. So we are looking for pieces that have the same variables. So let's look at this first one together. Alright, I would like us to identify the like terms. So identify the pieces that have the same variable. So if I look at 2x, is there another piece that has an x? 2xy has an x, but what else does this have? It has a y. So do these two match completely? No. 2xy does not match because it has a y and this one does not. What about 1/2 x? Yes, it matches because it also has an x. So our like terms are 2x and 1/2 x. They both have only an x. Try number 2 on your own. Circle the pieces that are like terms. Let's go over this one together now. What pieces match? Hopefully you circled 0.16m and m. Why does 5m squared not match the others? Right, 5m squared does not match because it has a squared. Now, if you see an m is the same as 1m. There's a secret 1 hiding in front here. Okay, so m is 1m, just like x is the same as 1x. That's going to help us when we are combining like terms in some of these problems. Let's look at our examples. Simplify each expression. This wants us to put pieces together that match. So if I have 5y's and 2y's, how many y's do I have altogether? That's right. Altogether I have 7 y's. Because they have the same variable, I can put them together. Let's look at number 2. 12a minus 8a plus 3. Are there any pieces that go together? 12a and minus 8a match. They both have an a. So I can put them together. 12a minus 8a is 4a plus 3. Can these two pieces go together? No, they cannot go together. This one has an a, this one does not. So I cannot combine the 4 and the 3. So I am simply finished at 4a plus 3. I want you to try this one on your own. 7m minus 4m minus 5m. This is a minus 4. The minus comes before the 4. Same thing here. This is a minus 5m since the minus comes before. So go ahead and combine like terms. Let's check and see how you did. Hopefully you said 7m and minus 5m go together because they both have an m. So I have 7m minus 5m. How many m's is that? 2m. And I still have this minus 4. Now these two pieces cannot go together because one has an m, the other does not. They're not like terms. We cannot put them together. So our final answer is 2m minus 4. We cannot simplify that anymore. Let's look at this last problem. Okay. First, let's identify the pieces that match, the pieces that have the same variable. 2/3 A. Which piece matches 2/3 A? 1/8 A. And in fact, that's a plus 1/8 A. Okay. So if I want to put these two together, I have 2/3 A plus 1/8 A. Okay. So now I'm adding fractions. Right? I need to add this 2/3 plus 1/8. Add or subtract? Make those shoes match. So 3 and 8, our match is 24. What do we multiply 3 by to get 24? 8. So 2 times 8 is 16. Nice job. On this side, how do we make 8 a 24? Times by 3. So what do we get on top? So our fraction pieces become 16 over 24 plus 3 over 24. If I add those together, we get 19 over 24 A. 19/24 A. I added the two pieces that had A together. Used what I knew about fractions to get 19 over 24. Now, this piece does not match. Why can I not add 1/4 to this? Correct. This has an A. This one does not. So I cannot combine those. So I bring down my plus 1/4, and our final answer is 19/24 A plus 1/4. Those pieces cannot go together because one has an A, one does not. Nice job today, mathematicians.